One of the reasons American stocks always seem to win is, well, the clue's in this, and what you can see with Lady Liberty, the Statue of Liberty over my shoulder. You could take a European idea and they'll dump it somewhere and not really make much of it, and it'll be sort of hidden away under some bridge and people won't even realize it's there. Give the same idea to an American, and as with their companies, they will make it iconic. They will make it world beating. They'll make it central to their brand. They'll make it something people will fly across the world to see. How many people fly across the world to see the Statue of Liberty? So over here, which is the original one, none. And that's the difference between very often an American attitude to companies and corporate success and a European one. And I guess that's one of the reasons why the American companies keep winning in the database when I go through it. I don't spray and pray. I look at the hard data when it comes to investing. I've used my experiences from my columns in the Financial Times, my Bloomberg TV show to do that. Have a look at the links in the bio. Save this video as a reminder. Make sure what you do in your personal life or professional is like the American version of the Statue of Liberty and not the French one. Not the original, sadly. Okay? Au revoir for now.